let's use your WhatsApp chatbot to respond to customers directly from QuickHub. From the QuickHub dashboard, open Quick Chat, then go into the dashboard. Take a moment to look around. You'll see options for different channels. Now click WhatsApp and then choose WhatsApp chats to view your active conversations. Here you'll see a list of ongoing chats. Let's open one of them. Read through the customer's question carefully, making sure you understand the context. Then type your answer in the reply box and click Send. Notice how the message instantly appears in the thread. Now, let's move to the next question. Open the conversation, review the customer's message, and again type a helpful, on-brand response. Send it and watch how the conversation updates in real time. You can continue this process for as many chats as you need. QuickHub keeps them all organized in one place, so nothing slips through the cracks. Take a moment to confirm that each thread is updating properly, and that all of your messages are marked as delivered. That's it. Managing WhatsApp conversations is simple. You can view customer questions, reply instantly, and keep every interaction consistent with your brand, all without leaving QuickHub.